Well, there's another thing. Give them some grace here, everybody, because this is new. I mean, Glock triggers are not new, and I mean, come on, they're not that hard to mess up. It's like messing up an AR trigger. How can you
Yeah,
do that? Um, but it is new to them, and they're making something that's not just like they're not making an OEM part. They're making a performance trigger, and it's the first time they're ever making a Glock, producing a Glock trigger. Yes, they've had testing before they went into production. I understand that, but you're going to run into these issues. Anytime there's a first run of anything, I almost guarantee you can look at every product. No product was ever perfect when it came through its first iteration.
absolutely.